Jack and the Kind Beans. A Tiny Kid's Songs Fairy Tale.
Once upon a time, there was a kind-hearted boy named Jack. Jack loved to help his family and dreamt of growing something special, something that could bring happiness to everyone. One morning, Jack's grandmother gave him a small pouch filled with tiny, shining beans.
"These aren't ordinary beans,"
she said softly.
"These are kind beans. Plant them carefully and they will grow something wonderful."
Jack smiled and gently planted the beans in the soft earth of their garden.
Plant the seed with gentle hands, watch it grow across the lands. Kindness grows where love is seen, in the heart with every being.
Every day, Jack watered the soil and spoke kind words to the little spot where he planted the beans. He told them stories about friendship, caring, and sharing.
Whisper softly words so kind, magic grows inside your mind. Friendship blooms and love is near, growing strong with every cheer.
After a few days, tiny green shoots appeared delicate and bright, but something magical was happening. The plants grew into small, glowing flowers, each one different and special. One flower shone like the morning sun, another smelled as sweet as a gentle breeze, and one glimmered like the stars at night.
Flowers glowing, shining bright, filling hearts with gentle light. Colors soft and spirits free, magic blooms for you and me.
Jack soon discovered that these flowers were magical gifts. When he gave a flower to someone, it made them smile and feel loved. Jack shared the glowing flowers with his family, neighbors, and friends. Each flower helped someone feel happy, peaceful, and kind.
Give a flower, share a smile, make the world kind for a while. Little acts can grow so wide, love and peace spread far and wide.
Soon, the whole village was filled with glowing flowers and warm hearts. Jack realized that the magic wasn't in the beans, or the flower set was in the kindness he shared with others. And that kindness grew, just like the beautiful garden. The end.
Thank you for listening. Subscribe to Tiny Kid Songs for more gentle Tiny Kid Songs fairy tale and happy songs.